The Salam Darbu is a piece of praise. It's a piece of praise in the name of God, God being an excuse to praise the king. It's usually the God's name that the king has, and the traits of the Lord are attributed to the king. And there is the typical salam to the side as the Maratha kings, the Tanjore kings, as against the colonial salam that's ahead. So we do this Salam Darbu where the courtesan praises the king, saying, "You are the one, Narasimha, the Lord Narasimha, as Prahlada, the young one, kept calling out to you. You are the one who came out of the pillar and you tore open the demon Hiranyakashipa's stomach and drank the blood and saved Narasimha, saved Prahlada." That's the valor part that was praised, and then she goes on to praise his romantic side, where she says, "You are the one who wears good jewelry, who wears lovely clothes, who revels in fragrance, and you are the one without whom I cannot live." Tanjavuri Purisa, it is also about the king, Rama Pratapa, and the last paragraph of this is actually from another Darbu which is attached, and it is usually performed traditionally as one piece. Salam Darbu in Ragamalika. Bye.